Why do 70% of freelancers love digital products? Because they're easy to create and sell. Step 1. Find your niche. Think about what you love and what you're good at. Whether it's eBooks, courses, or printables, pick something that excites you. Next, create your product. Use tools like Canva, Adobe Creative Cloud, or even just Word and PowerPoint. Keep it simple and high quality. Step 3. Set up your online store. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it super easy. Just upload your product, write a catchy description, and set your price. Now, it's time to market. Use social media, email lists, and even start a blog. Share tips, give sneak peeks, and engage with your audience. Finally, don't forget to track your sales and gather feedback. Use this info to improve and create even better products. And there you have it. Making money with digital products in 2025 is that simple. Start today and watch your freelance career soar. Happy creating.